OBSIDIA, an ancient prison realm of eternal darkness. For thousands of years, banished beings have been sent here as punishment for their unspeakable crimes. These harsh and dangerous landscapes are full of malevolent creatures and enemies who want you dead. With land and resources becoming scarce and no leader to keep order, the 4 largest colonies have begun waging a war for survival and domination. As Emperor of your colony, you must lead your followers to victory by exploring the Dark Realm. Each treacherous terrain type from Blackwater to Boneyard varies with its own special properties. As you begin to chart Obsidia's vast land, you'll discover unaffiliated and enemy towns, valuable opportunities to expand your empire. By training colony members to travel out and claim these territories, you'll further your reach and influence. But beware, the enemy colonies will not lay down without a fight. You'll need to rely on your spellbook, which has been uniquely crafted over centuries by those who came before you. With these secret learned spells, you may influence enemy actions, improve your weapons, and call upon deadly creatures. Each colony has its own designs and desires for control, and each practices a unique style of ancient magic. You must be ready to weather the deadly and unpredictable spells being cast your way. Use your leadership and strategic mind to survive and conquer Obsidia, or else risk extinction.